Most people see a bay leaf in a recipe, toss it into a pot, and forget about it. But what if that simple leaf sitting in your kitchen could help with things far beyond cooking? Some people are using it in ways that surprise even experienced home cooks, and a few of these small tricks might actually make your home feel cleaner, fresher, and a little healthier. Bay leaves have been used in kitchens for a very long time, mostly in soups, stews, and sauces. But what many people don't realize is that this small leaf has a lot of simple uses around the home. You don't need expensive products or complicated tools to try them. In this video, we're talking about easy bay leaf hacks you can try today. These are simple, practical ideas people use to freshen rooms, protect food storage, and even support everyday wellness habits. By the end of this video, you might start keeping bay leaves in places you never expected. Let's start with one of the most popular bay leaf tricks people talk about, helping keep pantry bugs away. Many people place a few dried bay leaves inside containers of rice, flour, or pasta. The natural scent of the leaves may help discourage certain pantry pests from hanging around. It's a simple habit that takes only a few seconds. Just drop 1 or 2 leaves into a container or place them on a pantry shelf. Many home cooks say this small trick gives them peace of mind when storing dry foods. Another interesting use for bay leaves is helping your home smell fresher without using strong sprays. Some people simmer a few bay leaves in a pot of water on the stove. As the steam rises, it releases a light, warm scent that feels clean and calming. You can even add a cinnamon stick or a slice of lemon if you want to boost the aroma. This works especially well in the colder months when windows stay closed and rooms can feel a little stale. It's a simple, natural way to freshen the air. Bay leaves can also be used in a small relaxation routine at home. Some people like placing a few leaves in a bowl near their workspace or bedroom. The gentle herbal scent can make the space feel calmer, especially when you're trying to focus or wind down. Now, this doesn't replace good sleep habits or exercise, but small environmental changes can still help. A tidy, fresh-smelling space often makes it easier to relax after a busy day, and bay leaves are one of the easiest things to try. Another helpful trick involves kitchen odors. After cooking strong foods like fish, garlic, or onions, smells can sometimes linger in the kitchen. A quick way people deal with this is simmering bay leaves with a little citrus peel. Within minutes, the scent can shift from heavy cooking smells to something lighter and more pleasant. It's a small kitchen habit that many home cooks swear by, and since bay leaves are inexpensive, it's easy to keep a few around for this purpose. Here's a hack many people don't expect. Some people place bay leaves in closets, drawers, or storage boxes. The idea is similar to using natural scent sachets that help keep things smelling fresh. Clothes storage areas can sometimes develop a musty smell over time, especially in places that don't get much airflow. A few bay leaves placed in a small breathable bag or envelope can help keep those areas feeling fresher. It's a simple alternative to stronger artificial scents. Bay leaves can also be part of a healthier cooking routine. While this video focuses on home hacks, it's worth remembering that bay leaves are often used in meals that are slow-cooked and nourishing. Think soups, beans, lentils, and stews that people make when they want comforting, balanced meals. Cooking more meals at home is one of the easiest ways to support better eating habits. And when people start experimenting with spices and herbs like bay leaves, it often leads to cooking more often. That's a small lifestyle shift that can make a big difference over time. There's another trick that some people use when cleaning their kitchen naturally. A few bay leaves added to hot water with lemon slices can create a light-smelling wipe-down solution. It won't replace proper cleaning products when needed, but it can be a nice option for quick surface refreshes. The scent alone makes the kitchen feel freshly cleaned, and sometimes those little sensory details encourage people to keep their space organized and tidy. A cleaner environment often supports healthier daily routines. But here's the surprising thing most people don't realize about bay leaves. The biggest benefit might not be just one hack, it's how one small ingredient can improve multiple parts of your home routine at the same time. When people start using simple ingredients like bay leaves around the house, they often become more mindful about their environment, their cooking, and their daily habits. Instead of relying only on store-bought solutions, they begin using small, natural tricks that are easy and affordable. And that shift can lead to cooking more at home, keeping food storage cleaner, and creating a calmer living space, all from something that many people usually forget about in the back of the spice cabinet. So next time you see a pack of bay leaves in your kitchen, remember they can do more than just sit in a soup pot. You can use them to help freshen your home, protect pantry foods, reduce kitchen odors, and even support better home routines. Small changes like this may seem simple, but they add up over time. A fresher home, smarter food storage, and more home cooking can all start with little habits like these. And the best part is, you probably already have bay leaves in your kitchen right now. If you enjoyed learning these easy home hacks, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health and home tips. I share practical ideas that make everyday life easier and healthier. And I'd love to know, have you ever used bay leaves for something other than cooking, or would you try one of these hacks at home? Let me know in the comments.